Let's go over how you can seamlessly blend your clip-in extensions on yourself at home. Start by sectioning your hair just above your ears and moving the top section out of the way. Of the 3 longer wefts, you'll first apply the 6-inch track just under the part of the section closest to the nape of your neck. Then make another part just above where you clipped in that last track and clip in the 7-inch track. Then make another part above that previous track, making sure there's enough hair above that section to fully conceal the 8-inch track. You'll want to be sure that you're clipping in this longest track on the widest part of your head. Now each set of extensions comes with 4 side pieces for maximum volume, but for everyday wear you have the option to just wear one side piece on each side and still have a seamless blend. Make a part at a slight angle just above your ear and clip in the side piece about an inch away from your face to ensure the track doesn't peek through. Repeat the same process onto the other side and finger comb to blend. Curling your hair with the extensions makes a huge difference in ensuring that your extensions blend effortlessly with your natural hair. Brush out the curls with your extension brush to smooth out the curls and blend even further. And for added shine, you can add a few spritz of our extension shine spray and work through evenly. And there you have it, flawless hair in just minutes.